Hello everyone, my name is Yogesh, and I am certified Microsoft app maker. Today we will overview the Mircosoft Power Platform. As a developer interacting with the platform, it's important to understand the basics of what the platform offers. In the following, you'll find a high-level overview of each of the core product areas and their key extensibility points. Microsoft Power Platform is a low-code platform that allows users to create custom business applications, automate workflows, and analyze data using Microsoft's PowerApps, PowerAutomate, and PowerBI. It is designed to help organizations improve productivity and efficiency by allowing users to easily create and customize applications, automate processes, and gain insights from data. Power BI is a business intelligence and data visualization tool developed by Microsoft. It allows users to connect to various data sources, create interactive visualizations and reports, and share them with others. Power BI provides a wide range of features that allow you to connect to various data sources, such as Excel, SQL Server, and cloud services like Azure, Google Analytics, and Salesforce. With Power BI, you can create interactive dashboards, reports, and charts to visualize your data and gain insights from it. It also allows you to share your reports and dashboards with others in your organization, enabling collaboration and decision-making. Additionally, Power BI also offers natural language queries, real-time data streaming, and automated data refresh capabilities. PowerApps is a low-code, business application platform from Microsoft that allows users to create custom business applications for the web and mobile devices. It uses a drag-and-drop interface to create forms, workflows, and other business logic, making it easy for non-developers to create custom business applications. PowerApps allows you to connect to various data sources such as SharePoint, Dynamics 365, and SQL Server, and use that data in your custom applications. With PowerApps, you can create custom forms, workflows, and business logic, and then use those components to create custom business applications that can be used on the web or mobile devices. PowerApps also integrates with PowerAutomate, Microsoft's workflow automation tool, and Power BI, Microsoft's business intelligence and data visualization tool, to provide a complete solution for creating and managing business applications. PowerAutomate, formerly known as Microsoft Flow, is a workflow automation tool developed by Microsoft. It allows users to create automated workflows between their favorite apps and services to synchronize files, get notifications, collect data, and more. With PowerAutomate, you can create custom workflows, called flows, that automate repetitive tasks and business processes. You can use pre-built templates or create your own flows using a simple visual designer. PowerAutomate can connect to a wide range of apps and services such as SharePoint, OneDrive, Dynamics 365, Office 365, and more. You can use these connections to trigger flows based on specific events or schedule them to run at a certain time. Additionally, PowerAutomate also allows you to create custom connectors to connect to other systems and services that are not natively supported. The ability to automate tasks and processes can help to save time, reduce errors, and improve efficiency in business operations. Power Virtual Agents is a chatbot building platform developed by Microsoft. It allows users to create intelligent chatbots without needing coding or machine learning experience. Power Virtual Agents enables creating conversational chatbot using a visual, guided authoring experience. It allows businesses to build chatbots that can answer common customer questions, automate customer service tasks, and guide customers through processes like onboarding or troubleshooting. Power Virtual Agents uses natural language understanding, NLU, and machine learning to understand customer input and provide accurate responses. It also allows you to create custom responses, or leverage pre-built templates, to handle specific scenarios and edge cases. Additionally, Power Virtual Agents also integrates with other Microsoft products like PowerApps and PowerAutomate to create a seamless experience for users. Power Virtual Agents can be deployed on various channels like web, mobile, or messaging platforms to provide customer service and automate customer interactions. Power Pages is a feature within the Power Platform that allows users to create custom web pages using a drag-and-drop interface without the need for coding. These pages can be used to create forms, reports, and other data visualization tools, and can be integrated with other Power Platform features such as Power Automate and PowerApps. The Power Platform is a low-code platform that allows users to create custom business applications without the need for extensive programming knowledge. Thank you for learning. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and let's keep moving forward together.